fix Fortnite crash like on the screen this time right here. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go to your settings. Then once you're in your settings, you're gonna have to scroll down and make sure all your graphics are low, you know what I'm saying? So for this one, make sure this is all off, reflection, everything is off, view distance, everything is near. So most likely your PC cannot take all this, so it just crashes. And if you have this all off, even if you do have a bad PC, your PC could still handle it. Alright, now from here, what you have to do is just cross out Fortnite completely. Just get out of Fortnite. Then once you do that, you're going to search up Epic Games Launcher. Then once you search up Epic Games Launcher, just open it. Now from here, you're going to have to click on Library. Then once you're in Library, you're going to have to find Fortnite from anywhere. You're going to have to click on the three dots right here. Click on Options. Now from here, make sure you don't have this on High Resolution Texture. Make sure you have that off. Click on Apply. You're going to have to click on the three dots again. Click on Manage. Now from here, you're going to have to click on Verify. So if you do have any problems like where your files are not installed or not up to date, Fortnite is going to verify it and give you all the correct files that you need. So it might take a while, so just wait a few minutes. Once you verify Fortnite, click on the three dots again. Click on Manage. Click on Uninstall, then install it back. Then once you do that, your Fortnite problem should be fixed and your Fortnite should not crash anymore. If this would help, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.